Just a quick introduction. I'm Craig Rosa, the series producer for Deep Look.
Josh Cassidy, lead producer and cinematographer.
Jenny O, another producer for Deep Look.
And I'm Gabriella, I'm the third producer.
Yeah, so we thought we would open this up with you today and see what is inside. So, I know, trying not to impale myself. Ooh.
Is it heavy?
It is heavy. It's a lot heavier than I thought it was going to be. It feels like there might be metal in here. So first we'll let the team take a quick look.
Whoa.
All right. Okay, can you hold this for a second?
It's beautiful.
Okay, it's a letter from YouTube. I'll read it to you. It says, "You're bigger than Vancouver, you're bigger than Venice, you're even bigger than Las Vegas. 1 million subscribers. Maybe you've imagined that day for a long time, or maybe you never knew you'd grow so big. Either way, not much can match the satisfaction of finding out that your creativity, that your ideas, that your voice speaks to 1 million people across the globe. We know that being able to touch the lives of so many people is reward enough, but we're incredibly proud of all you've done, so we hope you'll accept this Gold Creator Award as a token of our esteem." All right.
There it is.
Okay, so let's take it out. Da-da-da. There it is. See it? Here, go ahead and.
It's pretty hefty.
Yeah.
And reflective.
And reflective. Okay.
Our gold shining faces.
Very nice for passing 1 million subscribers.
Yeah.
All right. Well, first we definitely wanted to say thank you to all of our subscribers and fans out there. We couldn't do it without you. This is for you as much as it's for us, and we're really excited to have it. And so now we're going to tear off the rest of the packaging. Ooh, it's got a nice matte finish too. Let's see if there's anything on the back.
After 1 million, is there another milestone?
There is another
Diamond.
milestone. What is it?
Diamond.
Diamond.
For how many subscribers? Is that 10 million?
I think so.
I think it's 10 million is our next number. So hopefully we'll be back next week with another unboxing video. But you'll have to tell your friends. Okay. Well, it's got a nice. It is really, really heavy. I'm quite surprised. And the gold finish is kind of mirrored, so I can gaze into it when I want to improve my ego. But on the back, it's kind of got a nice black felt, so it won't mark the walls next to all of our other awards. Just kidding. Anyway, thank you so much. We're really excited, and we'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.